Bad news in my brain cell. I think I'm okay, but I can't tell. Bad news in my brain cell. I think I'm okay, but I can't tell. What fine China blunts with the porcelain smoke. Nowadays there's no shortage on the poor man's bones. Look around, see the game, take it in. What you say? Too much death in my veins. I can't live off what you think. Such. Hey man, please come my way. I don't wanna sleep tonight. Hey man, keep me away.
Ooh, with the head, ooh, with the fog lights.
I need fog lights. I need to buy some.
You need to get some.
How much are they? Brand new.
Oh, fool.
For like 100 bucks.
I'm gonna get some brand new ones, cuz.
Oh yeah.
You got the Duraflex A-Spec.
Type S. Nah.
Type S. I'm gonna fit it on his 0406. A lot of cutting, a lot of gluing,
Pretty much, bro.
and double side taping. Alright, put it next to it. Let's see it. Let's see the. You got the before. Damn, new wheels.
Nah, that shit's gonna look clean
Yes,
though.
sir.
You got lucky on that one.
Coming out clean though.
Nigga.
Alright, so this be the Duraflex one, so we'll show you how it fits compared to, you know, like an OEM one, like Mariah's, whatever. We're gonna take the bumper off. You already seen that plenty of times, so we're not gonna show that. We're just gonna have it off, move to the backyard, and see what we need to cut in order to get this somewhat flush. After that, that's when we'll be able to start getting maybe some brackets mounted, double-sided tape, do whatever we can to get this put on, alright?
That's what we gotta do, man.
Yeah, alright, and tell them how much you got this for.
Bruh, I got it for the still UA price.
And what is that?
You gonna have to tell them yourself.
150?
I don't even remember.
150?
Nah,
150?
it was, yeah, I think so, 150.
Yeah, 150. I think these is like around 200, but you have to pay like shipping, like another 100 bucks. So 150 for a Duraflex one, not too bad. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Hit the camera. Let's move it. Alright, we're gonna hit Home Depot real quick. We'll be right back because we're gonna grab some brackets and maybe double-sided tape if he wants to upgrade it because his is kind of old. Yeah. Home Depot, boy.
Gotta get them parts, man.
Gotta get the brackets, and maybe I'll convince him to buy some better double-sided tape.
Maybe.
Is this all they have though? Oh, no, that might work. Thin one? Is there a thicker one? Or this one? Yeah, should be plenty right here. Want to get double-sided tape for now? Whatever, you know, he's fine right here in Home Depot, you know. But this is the one we're using, if you guys really want to figure it out. So you want to get double-sided tape or now?
Good look.
Alright, hold that. We gotta find the tape. Picked up this one, this tape. Then we got some left over we're gonna use. Alright, see you guys back at the house. We got the bumper off. Gotta take a little lunch break. So it's off. It's pretty easy because there's only like 2 screws, literally. Got the Type S lip, or the Type S rep lip. We'll see for sure if it's worth it or not. And then we ended up, or I ended up picking these up at the junkyard and sold it back to Santi. Some modded headlights actually, so I get those ones in today too. But yep, first thing first, I believe we don't need to remove this. We might just do it anyway. But the grill, this grill part will be coming off. You can see that part in there is coming out, so we'll take that out first. Be pretty easy, and then I'll show you guys where to cut. It's basically the same thing in the last video with the, as you see, the go back a few videos, the 0406 bumper with the Type S OEM lip. This one's just different. This is the 0406 bumper with the Duraflex lip. Should be the same concept. But yeah, this is the grill I said we're taking out. You can see it is out now. And next, coming here, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting all this out, just like in the last video. So we're gonna cut all that out. That'll be the next step we do. All right. See you in the next step. All right, we got a Dremel. Get a few extras because sometimes they'll break. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. Probably gonna time lapse this one real quick. So yep.
Get that bag, get through. Get that bag, get through.
I've been lost in my ways. I've been lost in my ways. I don't even know what to say. I've been lost in my ways. I don't even know what to say. I've been lost in my ways. 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 Feeling like I've been on.
We're able to cut out a chunk. We're gonna hold off on cutting out this piece for now, just to see if we even need to actually. But you can see the piece I cut out right here, just because the tie path is a little bit longer. Hopefully that's enough. If not, we'll cut more. But yeah, test fit it. All right, so I do believe we cut a good enough amount. You can see there's plenty of room right there. This side was as well, plenty of room. So the Duraflex kit, the only thing we can see, maybe we can fix it. If not, like one screw can probably push that together. We'll see what we're gonna do. But so far it fits pretty good. You can see it. I'm pretty sure it'll have like weird little gapping here and there just because of it, but we'll try to get the best closed off. Quick sneak peek right here. You can see, pretty dope. Duraflex. All right, let's see what we can do to make this sit better. So put double-sided tape. This one's kind of exposing a little bit, but it don't fit. It don't. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. We just had to put a screw here, but we could always paint it or put a rivet. My rivet gun broke, so we have a screw here for now. A thin line of the trim will be cool. Same thing with this side. Has this one little screw right here. You can always paint it silver and match. Double-sided tape is in here. Right here, we're just gonna put a bracket to hold it, and then this fits like literally pretty damn flush. The only thing is just the screws is probably like the only thing different, but yeah, we'll go ahead and make the brackets now using this, and we'll show you how we did it. Then this is kind of how it fits. Pretty good. Slight gap, but hopefully you get the little trim piece because it'll hide most of it. This is how I kind of made the bracket. It's just kind of like a curvy shape. Used regular little mud flaps type of screws. I put that right there to hold it in. That's how I did that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side real quick, and then it's about done. All right, we got everything mounted. Like I said, we just got the screws here. We got some double-sided tape right here. Right here feels pretty decent. Like I said, once you get the trim, and I'm encouraging him to get the trim, it will hide up a lot of the gaps. Literally, it'll be like very minimal. Here's the brackets. You can see again this side, and then we got the one for this side right here. We just used the regular mud flap screw with the, you know, the little thing that it clips onto the screw in. So that's good. We'll cut more of this if we need to. When it gets fog lights, we'll cut this out, that way it's not so noticeable. But other than that, everything is cool. I don't fit too bad for a Duraflex kit. You know, it's not OEM, Little gap. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the bumper on the car now. Ready? Snap your fingers and we'll be done.
Night shift, baby.
On my own, feeling like I'm homegrown. I just wanna be left alone.
Things on. Try to get some daylight photo footage maybe tomorrow.
Get something out.
All right, stand right here real quick in the sun and just tell us what you think about the Duraflex.
What I think about the Duraflex?
Yeah,
Like a lot of work-wise and stuff, or like
just like how
like it.
like we like it, fitment and stuff like that. So what do you think?
I mean, yeah, I got it for a good deal, so I can't complain. You know,
How you like it on your car?
looks good. It makes it more looks more aggressive. And I just had the fog lights. It's gonna look way better with the fog lights.
Yeah, you just need fog lights, about it. And other than that, his car is pretty close and it's coming. He got these rims for a cheap. These rims on here, he got them cheap. He's coming up quick in the TO game. Better follow him on Instagram right now.
Night shift.
Yeah.
UA6, Santi.
I'll throw his Instagram somewhere right here. Alright, maybe the next video part of this would be more daytime.
You played on my heart and you turned it to cold. Now I don't feel your emotions no more. Lately you've been hitting my phone. Sorry baby, I can't hear you no more. I can't get you out of my mind. I've been stuck in my own little grind. But lately I can't seem to find any time. Time has been wasting, time has been going by. Everything's changed, I'm feeling the pain. I'm stuck in my ways, I'm stuck in the past.